My video guide will provide you with instructions to help you remove the browser pop-ups and intrusive notifications that are related to the site mp3stalkers.com. mp3stalkers.com is a deceptive website. It claims that you need to click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you download some file. But in reality, it's a mistake to actually click on allow. If this was done by mistake, the browser will be hijacked with intrusive pop-ups that will be periodically attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. And these web push notifications are not really decent. So please be very careful, don't click on allow. If it was clicked by mistake, access the menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, go down to Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions to select Notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove all these malicious sites if you find them. I also recommend investigating your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.